Today we're examining this extravagant carving by a Pennsylvania artist, Schimmel, and he was an immigrant to America, and his trade was to carve animals of all kinds. Well, it's got a great finish on it. They're all done in a very rough texture carving, simple colors. What makes this piece so unusual is its size. This was found, I found this on a house call down in Portland, Maine. It was sitting on an old sideboard in a dark room, and I saw it, and I said, this is a fabulous carving by Schimmel, which they had no idea who he was or the value of this piece. This is a truly rare example, not only because it's so untouched, but the size of this is, as far as our research has found, we haven't found anything that compares to this size in a Rooster carving. If someone who wanted an exquisite piece to add to their folk art collection, being a museum or a private collection, this would be an outstanding piece to have. It's lot 2009 in our sale on Saturday. It's estimated, I think, at 20 to 30,000. Wouldn't surprise me if we brought 2 or 3 times that. It's such a rare object to find. There certainly won't be another one for sale like this. And good luck with your bidding.